In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the amount of cards in a Trello list. This is a simple yet incredibly useful trick, especially if you're managing several projects simultaneously and want to get a quick overview of your tasks. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Trello.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not signed in yet, which is often the case when you open Trello, you'll want to go to the login page. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page and give it a click. Once you're there, you have a couple of options for logging in. You can use your email and password, or if you're a fan of Google sign-ins, Trello gives you that option too, making the whole process quick and seamless. Now that you're logged in, you're going to head straight to your boards. You'll find the link in the user interface labeled as boards. This is where you can view all the wonderful boards you're part of. Once you're on the boards page, you'll see a section specifically for your workspaces. This is basically a hub for all the boards you belong to, sorted by workspace. Next, what you need to do is select the board you're interested in. Just click on the board name and you'll be whisked away to a familiar view of your chosen board. Here you will see all the lists and cards that have been meticulously organized by you or your team. After you've entered your board, the next step is to find the filters option, usually located somewhere towards the top of your board. It might sometimes be represented by an icon, so keep an eye out for that. Clicking on filters will open a panel that allows you to search your board using various criteria. In the search or keyword box that appears, you'll need to type an asterisk symbol, also known as the star or wildcard symbol. That's just the single character of it. This clever little symbol is the key to unlocking the full view of your board's card count. And voila! Just like that, as soon as you type the asterisk and hit enter, Trello will display the number of cards within each list. This is a super handy way to get a snapshot of how many tasks or items you're juggling on a particular board. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to see the number of cards in any Trello list. This little trick can significantly enhance your productivity by giving you a clear overview of your workloads. Thanks for following along and happy organizing with Trello.